In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Ads Customer Match. This is a valuable tool that allows you to tailor your advertising campaigns to specific groups of customers, enhancing your marketing strategy's effectiveness. By leveraging existing customer data, you can create highly targeted ads that resonate with your audience. So let's get started on learning how to implement this powerful feature. First, you'll want to head over to Google Ads. You can easily do this by opening your web browser and navigating to the Google Ads homepage. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to click on the Sign In button. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, as you'll need them to access your account. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads homepage. From here, look towards the top menu and find the Tools option. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is packed with various features to manage your advertising campaigns, but for today, we'll focus on Shared Library. Click on it to proceed. In the Shared Library, you'll see an option for Audience Manager. This is where the magic happens, so click on Audience Manager to open it. The Audience Manager is a hub for managing who sees your ads and ensuring you're reaching the right people. As we're about to see, this tool is incredibly versatile and user-friendly. Once you're in the Audience Manager, you'll see the option to create remarketing list. By creating a remarketing list, you can target users who have already interacted with your brand. Click on this option to start building your list. Remarketing lists are fantastic for boosting conversions, as they allow you to re-engage with potential customers who have shown an interest in your products or services. Next, select Customer List. This is where you can use your existing customer data to create personalized ads. To add your customer data, you'll see an option to upload a file manually. Click on this to proceed. Before uploading, make sure your file is formatted according to Google's guidelines. Typically, this means a CSV or Excel format. Properly formatting the file will ensure a smooth upload and help avoid any errors or complications. After you've uploaded and verified your file, Google will take care of matching the data to users and adding them to your list. Once your customer list is complete, you're ready to create targeted marketing campaigns that reach your desired audience. Keep in mind the importance of privacy and ensure your customer data complies with all relevant data protection regulations. And there you have it. You've now learned how to use Google Ads Customer Match to enhance your advertising strategy. By following these steps, you're well on your way to delivering more personalized and effective ad campaigns. Thanks for joining us today, and happy advertising.